Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook poll. Alright, so I'm here in a Facebook group right now, and I'm going to show you what the Facebook poll looks like in the Facebook groups when you post, and what it looks like when you post on your profile, because they do look different. So when you are in a Facebook group, you want to head over to the section where you are going to make a post. Click on the three dots and then head over to poll. Okay, so it's going to look something like this, and you want to ask a question. Where are you guys from? Okay, and you can add an option here. So I'll put something like Canada, United States. You can also add pictures as well, along with the typed out options. So if you want more options, you can add option and you can have more choices, or if you don't like them, you can click X and delete them. And you can also click on this here at the bottom, poll options, and these are going to automatically be checked. Allow anyone to add options and allow people to choose multiple options. So if you don't want people to choose multiple, then you would uncheck that. If you don't want people to add their own options, then you would uncheck that as well. And here, if you want to schedule this poll post, you can do that as well. Alright, so I just added a couple more options there, and I'm going to click post here to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so now I've posted this, and it's going to say added by me, and other people can add an option if they want to, and this is what a poll looks like in a Facebook group. Alright, so I'm here on my Facebook profile right now, and same section, you want to head over to where you would make a post, click on the three dots, click on poll, and it's going to look a little bit different from when you tried to create a poll in Facebook groups. Now, initially when the poll option was released on Facebook, you couldn't even create a poll on your profile, only in groups. So here on your profile, you can say, what is your favorite color? Now, the only thing with having it on your profile is it's going to be a little different. So one thing that you have here on the profile that you don't have on the groups is that you can add an attachment of a GIF to your option as well as a photo. I'm just going to fill in the options here. Now, here's the thing. With this Facebook profile and you're wanting to create a poll, it only allows you to do two options. They only give you enough space for two options, and there's nowhere to click add option. Now, I'm not sure why they do that. Hopefully in the future they'll give you more options. Pretty much you can ask like a yes or no, true or false, one option or the other type question. So I'm just going to change this to only me, and I'm going to uncheck that. And I'm going to click post to show you guys what this looks like. Alright, so here we go. It just published on my personal Facebook profile, and the poll is very different from in groups. So it looks like this. You only have two options, and it says here that the poll ends in 6 days. So, and if I do the choice here, purple, okay, so now it looks like that when you make a choice, when someone actually votes. So if you don't want the poll to end in 6 days, you can change the duration of it. So from here, when you click on poll, it's going to show up like this, and then just go to never, and then it won't expire if you don't want it to expire. So that is it. That is how you create a poll on Facebook. So as you can see, there are different options in the Facebook groups and on your Facebook profile. Alright guys, so if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.